Faith and your guest and all Metro FM listeners. Good evening. Well, first and foremost, I'm not an EFF leader or member or whatsoever, but what unfolded yesterday really seems to vindicate what Julius Malema has been saying, that Cyril Ramaphosa is a product of the Ruperts and the Oppenheimers. So then, and on the other side, it really gives a very negative image of the government of this country, that it's no longer run. It's run by big businesses. That's Andy Lear from Stakespret in the Eastern Cape near the Lesotho borders.
I'm the most hated person. It's because I just tell you the truth, the way it is, and you don't want to hear it. That's why if you don't want to hear the truth, just switch off the press conference of the EFF, because you're going to hate us more for exposing the truth. We are about the truth, and will never shy away from telling the truth. We're about protecting the vulnerable, the children, the women, the African masses of our people who are under attack from white supremacists who want to perpetuate white dominance of our economy. And that will never agree. Because they are white, you don't critique them the same you are critiquing us. So they put my face to scare white people. They've made me a political ho-ho of white people. When white people are about to shift, they say, "Whoa," and then they run away.